Hey there, it's Ash from Elementor. In this lesson, we're going to add the menu cart widget to our website, which will help to provide a seamless shopping experience for our customers. The menu cart is a great addition for any store, as it allows customers to view and manage their cart items without leaving their current page. It then provides a direct link to the checkout page, so your customers can finalize and pay for their order. In this lesson, we'll first of all add the menu cart widget to our header template. We'll then amend its positioning so that it fits perfectly with our other header elements. Then we'll configure and style this widget to our exact requirements. If you would like an in-depth tutorial on each and every aspect of this widget, please check the description below for a link to our dedicated tutorial. Let's get started by first opening the homepage in the Elementor editor. We'll add a few products to the cart so that when we create our menu cart, we'll have some real-time products to preview. Now select to edit the header. We'll first drop in the menu cart widget underneath our menu. And then amend its positioning so that it sits in line with our other elements. Switch back to the Content tab and let's amend these options so that our menu cart is perfect for our requirements. Set your desired icon type, an items indicator. We'll configure ours to hide if empty, and we'll also disable the subtotal. Next, open the Cart tab, and we'll also open the menu cart so that we can see our changes. Here we have an array of options to fully configure our menu cart. We're going to leave most of these as default values, as they work great for our requirements. Scroll down now until you see the button area. We'll hide the View Cart button, and move the Checkout button to the bottom of the container. Open the Additional Options tab next, and set the cart to open each time an item is added. As you can see, if we scroll down and add a product, the menu cart opens and displays the newly added item. Now that we've configured our menu cart, it's time to switch over to the Style tab and set the appearance. Let's hide the side cart first of all, and then style the menu cart icon. We'll set the icon color, border width, and size. Now reopen the side cart again, and open the Cart tab to set these styles. Set the padding to 50 pixels on all sides. We'll then set the size and colour for the close cart icon. The size and colour for the remove item icon. And the colour, typography, and width for the subtotal. Now open the Products tab. Set your colour for the product title, colour and typography for the product price, and styles for the button normal state, as well as the button hover state. Let's now save the changes to our header and check out this on the front end of our website. As you can see, when we add products to our cart, the side cart automatically opens and is populated with our newly added products. We can remove items if we so wish, and also head to the checkout page to complete our order. Make good use of the menu cart widget to ensure your customers receive a flawless and user-friendly experience when browsing your store. Thank you for watching. Be sure to comment below with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing courses and tutorials.